morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Thursday, the 8th of January. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. Sunny skies today, temperatures in the low 40s. Yesterday it was interesting. I was inside looking out at the rain and then watching it started freezing the trees. And then I was looking and I was like, are those snowflakes? And then sure enough, everything just briefly changed over to this period of wet, big flakes. And I was like, the column, the sort of slice of air from the ground up must be cooling. So I went to the mesoscale map, which looks at small area. And sure enough, there was a little air below pressure that developed off the coast of Maine yesterday. Not well forecast. The counterclockwise circulation pulled some cold air in, and we briefly changed over to snow yesterday afternoon. So kind of interesting, basically big wet flakes across the area. That's why, if you're wondering. All right, after today's sunshine in the low to mid 40s tonight, we're clear down to the 20s. Tomorrow, cloudy, dry in the morning, temperature in the mid to upper 40s in the afternoon with some rain developing after 3 or 4 o'clock. Winds get a little gusty out of the south. That rain Friday night is not heavy, but it's there, and temperatures hold in the low 40s. I think most of the snow is gone when you get up Saturday morning. Saturday, cloudy, dry in the morning. We're up near 50 in the afternoon. Winds flip around to the east as low pressure moves right across southern New England and brings another round of rain Saturday night. Temperature holds near 40. May fall a little bit. Sunday, the rain ends, temperatures in the 40s. It's kind of raw. And then Monday, back to sunshine in the 30s before we're back into the 40s here by the middle part of the week. So no big snow, no big cold in sight. Have a great morning.